Hi everyone, my name is Ankita and welcome to my channel.
हाय गुड मॉर्निंग, कैसे हैं आप सब? होप यू गाइस आर डूइंग वेल। मैं भी ठीक हूँ एंड और एक वीकेंड शुरू हो गया है, सो लेट्स गेट दिस व्लॉग स्टार्टेड विदाउट एनी फर्दर अडू। सो अभी इम्प्रॉम्प्टू प्लान बना है टू गो टू IKEA. सो मी एंड मॉम विल बी गोइंग टू IKEA. हम मेट्रो से ही जाएंगे बिकॉज गाड़ी आई थिंक विल बी टू लॉन्ग अ ड्राइव एंड आई डोंट नो पार्किंग का क्या सीन है वहाँ पर. आई हैव नेवर बीन टू IKEA हियर इन इंडिया, सो दिस विल बी माई फर्स्ट विजिट टू IKEA in India. So let's see how it turns out to be. I hope it is not as crowded and the food is not as bad as everybody has been saying. But ऐसा कुछ प्लान नहीं है कि कुछ स्पेसिफिक शॉपिंग करना है. We'll just see. I wanted to check out few of the cutleries and the bowls and the plates. If I like it, I'll take it. Otherwise, I think I just want to go and see the IKEA. I think it's been 2 years now that IKEA is open here, and I have not gone there. एंड यहाँ से अगर हम मेट्रो से भी जाएंगे तो इट्स आई थिंक 1 hour प्लस का जर्नी है. सो इट्स अबाउट 12ish नाउ. सो या लेट्स गेट गोइंग. हवा इतनी चल रही है कि मुझे लग रहा है कि आई शुड टाई अप माई हेयर. सो मे बी आई टाई माई हेयर ऑल्सो बिकॉज एनी वे इट विल गेट वेरी मेसी विद द विंड ब्लोइंग. सो या आई थिंक आई एम गोइंग टू जस्ट टाई माई हेयर एंड आई थिंक आई एम गुड टू गो. सो या लेट्स गो. हो गई हूँ मैं तैयार. बाल मैंने बांध लिए ताकि वो ज़्यादा हवा से chaotic ना हो. एंड या आई थिंक आई एम गुड टू गो. सो नाउ लेट्स गो.
That's the outfit of the day. If I'm not wrong, that's the vehicle that is shown in Kalki. But ये मैं कल एक्सप्लोर करूँगी. ये शायद डिस्प्ले है in the mall. So there was a lot of चहल पहल early in the afternoon. So मैंने ऑनलाइन रिचार्ज किया था and I'm just trying to make sure that the top up goes right. And look at the classic mistake that I'm doing. It is saying that do not remove the card, and I'm every time removing the card. Eventually I was able to realize my mistake. That's the ISKCON temple. Hare Krishna, it was so beautiful, looks so pretty, isn't it? It was a long journey from my house till IKEA, almost 45 minutes लग गया हमको. But एक अच्छी बात थी कि हमको बैठने के लिए जगह मिल गई थी. So now we have finally reached. This is the last station. What we didn't realize is that स्टेशन के अंदर से ही आप डायरेक्टली IKEA जा सकते हो. सो वी बाय मिस्टेक वेंट आउट एंड वहाँ से हम घूम फिर के गए. बट डायरेक्ट आप यहीं से यहाँ सीधा से यू गो टेक अ लेफ्ट, यू विल बी एबल टू फाइंड द डोर्स फॉर द IKEA स्टोर. मतलब there's a connector bridge जो आपको लेना है. इंस्टेड ऑफ टेकिंग दिस पाथ जो हमने लिया, बाहर निकल के फिर सीधा जाके हमने बहुत एक्स्ट्रा माइल चला है, विच इज़ एक्चुअली नॉट नीडेड. Finally, in IKEA after it has opened in Bangalore the first time I'm here. Make sure to take this store map. This is very useful. आपको सारे shortcuts मिल सकते हैं. What we did was that हमने ज़्यादा attention नहीं pay किया इस पे, but make sure you follow, the route and the paths given in this particular map. So this is how you can navigate in the store. You start from here and these are all the sections. I'm not sure if you can see clearly, but this is how you can navigate through, and there are shortcuts as well. Make sure you follow these shortcuts to go to where you want to directly, rather than navigating through the entire store. I mean, that's a mistake that we did. Rather than following this map, it can get really tiring. So wherever you think you want to go first, just take those shortcuts and go ahead. Just divide it into two levels, level 1 and level 2, and this is the bigger picture. So yeah, I hope this is helpful. It's nice to see so many sample rooms, sample kitchens. I mean, बहुत अच्छे से उन्होंने उसको decorate किया था, and they had put in each of the items. So that was nice. It was more organized than I thought it would have been.
क्या प्राइस है?
Yeah, but make sure to pick up products that have a tag, otherwise it's very difficult to get it built later.
चाहिए क्या? क्या चाहिए? किस लिए चाहिए?
puppies were super cute. तो अब हम आ गए थे एट द स्वीडिश रेस्टोरेंट, बट यहाँ पर हमारी माता श्री के बड़े टैंट्रम्स थे एंड यहाँ का क्यू देखिए, इट वाज क्रेजी. वी हैड टू वेट फॉर 30 मिनट्स टू गेट टू दिस ट्रॉली एंड उसके बाद वी हैड टू चूज़ द ऑप्शंस. बट हमारी माता श्री वही वेज और नॉन वेज के बीच में ही फंस के रह गई. तो हमने कुछ ऐसे मेन कोर्स लिया नहीं, कुछ नहीं, उनको पसंद नहीं आया था कुछ भी, because we saw the items on other people's trays and they didn't look as appealing. I would agree with her. So finally we stuck to having spring rolls. I think we had cookies and potato wedges, the safest option of all. At least she was not as cranky. So yeah. Also we had the soft ice which was really nice, but I forgot to take the pictures. So अगर आपको सिर्फ bakery items चाहिए, there is a separate counter. One of the things that I probably found very confusing in the food counters is that there should have been somebody to help. तो काफ़ी chaos था. People were really confused as to how to go about it. So yeah, that was one thing. जगह जगह पे they have put scanners for you to understand कि price of the product क्या है, because it can sometimes get misleading with so many price tags. The place is well equipped with washrooms. They have everything that you need for your house, right from furnitures, cutlery, kitchen setup, bedroom, room setup, balcony, terrace setup, everything is available. And given सेल चल रही थी तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा भीड़ थी, बट मुझे नहीं पता कि सेल का कितना इम्पैक्ट था, because I think I ended up buying everything which was not on sale. But I think on weekends it is crazy, crazy that people go out there. A lot of people who were there could have seen in the food court also how crazily it was crowded. जगह मिलना बहुत मुश्किल हो रहा था.
केबे हमें बिलिंग काउंटर पे पहुंची जीवा पिकली.
I think my favorite
billing counter
were
में
the
पहुंचे.
lighting section, then the toy section, and the cutlery and utensils वाले section, and also the flowers section बहुत अच्छा था. Definitely make sure to carry your own carry bags, because
ऐसा
I
चेयर
don't know about you, but I do not want to give $150 for a carry bag. So yeah, that is one piece of advice. Take it or leave it. But yeah.
बोलो क्या तुम क्या बैग लेके आई हो. ये बैग लग ये इसके अंदर रह लाई।
सब जाएगा।
आई होप सो।
आई होप सो तुम्हें छूट तो नहीं था।
This is a nice provision. They have a wrapping table where you can wrap up all your, cookware or plates and cutleries nicely so that it doesn't break. So usually in lifestyle and all, they have people do it, but here it's self-service, which is fair. I mean, I don't have an issue. At least this provision is there, which is great.
रखा हुआ है देख के।
Finally, we are done. Tata IKEA.
मेट्रो एग्जिट 1।
मम्मी इतना को पकड़ के जाना पड़ेगा।
यहाँ से आप डायरेक्टली मेट्रो के स्टेशन में जा सकते हैं। जैसे डायरेक्ट कनेक्टिविटी जो हमने आने समय ली नहीं, बट जाने समय आई वॉज लिटिल माइंडफुल, सो वी वर एबल टू गेट दिस।
उधर उधर उधर
Train will pass by and doors will open on the left. Please mind the gap while people.
Finally home. Feels so good to be back now.
So finally back after 6.5 hours. It's 7 o'clock now. I'll make another vlog for showing you what all I purchased. ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं purchase किया. It was like minimal things that I purchased because हम metro में गए थे, so लाने का भी झंझट है to carry and everything. So we bought minimal things जो हमें पसंद आया. So maybe the next time we go we'll shop more. गाड़ी में जाएंगे तो it's more comfortable. You can shop as much as you want. But in metro you're constrained with how much you can carry. But I got a couple of cute things for my room and some utensils, cutlery. So probably I'll make a video and a quick short video and show you what all I got. So yeah, I'm super tired, so I'm going to call it a day now. I'll end the vlog here. Hopefully you will like the vlog and see you soon.
अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा then do like the video and subscribe to the channel. खुश रहें, खुशियाँ बांटें, keep exploring and keep discovering.